Hey guys, Mike at AlphaCars here. 2017 BMW 340i xDrive. Awesome car with a ton of power. It's the turbo 6-cylinder, inline 6, super smooth motor. And this car is very special, as you might have seen a peek inside the interior with the red leather and the black exterior. Not to mention the M Performance side sills and the upgraded wheels. These are the M Sport wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Potenza S001s with great tread all around. And in fact, we are going to be putting a new tire, hasn't been done yet, but we're going to be putting a new tire on the right front here, just due to a tire bubble that formed. Safety first. So wheels look great, body looks great, the sills look great. Those twin tips out the back make a really nice noise. So I'm gonna make that happen. Inside the car, you can see we've got lane assist, a few driver assistance options, heads-up display as well. But here's what you came for. Those inline sixes, especially the modern inline sixes from BMW, like the N55, the B55, the B58, just incredible sound, smooth, no rasp like the old school naturally aspirated motors. The turbo sort of muffles that sound, but it's just smooth and powerful. Big fan of the carbon wrapped shifter and the suede shift boot. Of course, you got your M Performance steering wheel. Let's check out that interior. Very rare color combination with the black over red. Bolsters are immaculate. Seat cushions, headrests, everything looking like new. We've got this aluminum look on the center console and the upper dash trim. Red door cards as well. Can't forget about the sunroof. Tons of options on the car. Got the Harman Kardon stereo. That's my excuse to come back here and unlock the back doors. All right, check out the back seats. Heated seats, temperature adjustable climate control in the back. Rear seat cup holders. Fun place to be for a driver or a passenger. Definitely more so for the driver, I'd say. But a great car to road trip in, take to a track day, get the groceries in, any excuse to leave the house. It's a great car that will just be competent at everything. Up front, you've got the Angel Eye LEDs, fog lights, the black kidney grills. Very purposeful looking car. So hope you've enjoyed the video. Let's give it another rev for good measure. And opened up into sport mode. And I don't know if you can hear those burbles, but those little pops on the over rev are just what make this car so special. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Great high performance BMW sedan. Sort of a mix between your standard 335 and your M3, I'd say. Kind of like the older 335 IS. That's really where this car falls in to line the 340 with the bigger power and the great look to it. So give us a call if you're interested in the car, or find us online at alphacars.com. You can find us on Facebook and ask for Rodolfo or Mike. We'd love to show you the vehicle in person, have you take it for a test drive, and have you take it home. Thanks again.